Hello viewers, welcome to Smarty channel. Today I am going to show you a trick by using which you can solve many problems in Vedic maths. So let's start the session. So in today's session, I'll show you how to find half of a number. So by using, if you know how to find half of a number, then you can solve a lot of problems using Vedic maths. So let us see how to find half of a number. So you can find half of a number by using three methods. There are three methods by using which you can find half of a number. First one is called the rounding off method. Second method is called split and merge method. And the third one is called division method. I'll show you one by one. First, let us see the rounding off method. For example, on your screen, you can see 386 divided by 2. If you see this 386, it is closer to 400. So instead of taking 386, I will take 400. So half of 400 is 200. Half of 400 is 200. Now, uh, now 386 is less than 400 by 14. That is 400 minus 386 is 14. Find half of 14. Half of 14 is 7. Half of 14 is 7. Now you find 200 minus 7. So 200 minus 7 will give you 193. 200 minus 7 will give you 193. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 386 divided by 2, that is half of 386 is 193. In the same way, let us go to the next problem. 592 divided by 2. We have to find half of 592. If you see 592, it is closer to 600. Find half of 600. Half of 600 is 300, and 592 is less than 600 by 8. That is 600 minus 592 is 8. Find half of 8. Half of 8 is 4. Now find 300 minus 4. 300 minus 4 is 296. So 296. So this is the required answer. So 592. So half of 592 is 296. This is as simple as this. Now let us take another third example. Now we have 788. We have to find half of 788. Okay. So if you observe 788, it is closer to 800. So consider 800. So find half of 800. Half of 800 is 400. Okay, minus, now 788 is less than 800 by 12. So that is 800 minus 788 is 12. So find half of 12. Half of 12 is 6. Okay, now you 400 minus 6. 400 minus 6 is nothing but 394. So this is the required answer. So half of 788 is equal to 394. So this is how you find half of a number. So this is the first method we have seen. Now let us see the second method, which is called split and merge method. Second method is called split and merge method. For example, we have to find half of 432. So 432, I'll write it as 400 plus 32. So 432, I'll write it as 400 plus 32. Find half of 400. Half of 400 is 200. To this 200, I will add half of 32. Find half of 32. Half of 32 is 16. Half of 32 is 16. So 200 plus 16 is equal to 216. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 400 so half of 432 is equal to 216. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another number, 644. So split 644 as 600 plus 44. First find half of 600. Half of 600 is 300. To this 300, I will have to add half of 44. Find half of 44. Half of 44 is 22. So 300 plus 22 is equal to 322. So this is the required answer. So half of 644 is equal to 322. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example, 864. Now I will split 864 as 800 plus 64. Find half of 800. Half of 800 is 400. Okay. To this, I will add half of 64. Half of 64 is 32. Okay. Now add 432. 432. You add 432. 400 plus 32 is equal to 432. This is the required answer. Therefore, half of 864 is 432. So this is about the split and merge method. Now let us see the last method, that is division method. Okay, in this method, I'll divide the digits of the number with 2. For example, I have 864. I have to find 864 by 2. So divide 864. The digits of 864 you divide with 2. So 8 by 2 is 4. 6 by 2 is 3. And 4 by 2 is 2. So this is the required answer. It's as simple as that. Again, now let us take second example. Half, we have 482. We have to find half of 482. Okay, first divide 4 by 2. 4, we will divide each and every digit of the number with, we will divide each and every digit of the number by 2. So 4 by 2 is 2, 8 by 2 is 4, and 2 by 2 is 1. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Now in the same way, let us do the third example. 626. We have to find half of 626. 6 by 2 is 3, 2 by 2 is 1, and 6 by 2 is 3. So this is the required answer. So half of 626 is equal to 313, half of 482 is equal to 241, and half of 864 is equal to 432. It's as simple as this. So I have explained you all the three methods. Whichever method you are comfortable with, you can use that method. Now in Vedic maths, we don't use half of odd number. So till now I have shown you how to find half of an even number. So finding half of odd number is not much is not much of use in Vedic math. But still, I will show you how to find half of a odd number. So whenever you are dividing a odd number by 2, the answer will always contain 0.5. So on the right side, you put 0.5. Now to get the left portion, you subtract 1 from 37. 37 minus 1 is 36. Find half of 36. Half of 36 is 18. So this is the required answer. So 36. So half of 37 is 18.5. So half of 37 is 18.5. Now let us take another problem. 87 by 2. 87 is a odd number. So put 5. Put 0.5. So put 0.5 in the right side of the answer. Now to get the left portion of the answer, subtract 1 from 87. 87 minus 1 is 86. Find half of 86. Half of 86 is 43. So this is the required answer. So half of 87 is equal to 43.5. So half of 37 is 18.5, and half of 87 is equal to 43.5. It's as simple as this. So I hope that you like this session. If you really like this video, so don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and post your comments to encourage us. In future, I will be coming with more such videos, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. So have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.